Hello YouTube, it's Noah from 10G Tech, and today I'm going to explain how to get free calling on any device as long as you have an internet connection. So let's say you have an old iPod Touch, just a iPod Touch, and you want to make calls. Well, I'm going to explain that in this video. So all you need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whatever platform you're using. It has to be a mobile device though, and search Talkatone. So once you search Talkatone, you can download the application and open it. Register with your email address, and it's going to give you a free US phone number. Then you can use that US phone number to make calls to any device, including landlines, other cell phones, other Talkatone devices. So it's essentially a VoIP number, which is a Wi-Fi phone number, and it connects to a database, and there you go. That's how you get your free number. So make calls as long as you're on Wi-Fi, and it's awesome. Now, just one thing to note is that if you don't use your number, they will discontinue your current number, but don't worry, you can get another one. It just won't be the same one as you had before. So just keep that in mind, so to keep your number active. The app is completely free, but there's a paid version or not paid version of the app, but there's a payment to remove ads. You can also buy long distance purchase tokens. But other than that, it's an amazing app, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you need to make calls on your device that isn't cellular or doesn't have a cell phone plan. Alright, thanks for watching.